opportunity to know that area better. And I always come back to that for brokers, for investors, for whoever you are, whatever you're doing in the multifamily investing space. Hey, it's Steven, Gulf Coast Multifamily. It's early in the afternoon, it's about 2 o'clock. It's a Monday, I think. I just had a kid, so I'm a little off on what the days are. But I'm about to go do my very favorite part of this job, or one of my favorite parts of this job. And that's touring a new property that I'm going to be bringing to market soon. And the reason I like that is because I can always manage to learn something or see something new. Now, the reason for that is because I've learned from other people to make sure you're paying attention when you're touring a property, seeing something interesting for an owner. But the added bonus when I go to a new property that's not exactly in my market or not in the county that I live in, but somewhere a little further away, is it gives me an opportunity to know that area better. And I always come back to that for brokers, for investors, for whoever you are, whatever you're doing in the multifamily investing space. It's so important to know the areas that you're going to know where property is and what that market's like if you're interested in that market. So really looking forward to going and tour that property. Hopefully I find something great, and hopefully I'm able to share all this with you guys and see maybe if it's one of the properties that could fit in your portfolio, if it's a market that you know well enough to understand, to see where the value is, what's interesting about it. So hopefully we're able to find that out soon. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you got any questions about multifamily on the Gulf Coast, give me a call. Talk soon.